Okay. Hello matches, I am Alison Roman, and today I am going to be making a very delightful, customizable, festive side dish that is for the holidays, but also can be eaten anytime. It is kind of something that will go with everything and like be the most interesting thing on the table. I bought way too many carrots, but that's okay. We're gonna start with one bunch of carrots, and this will probably feed 4 to 6 people. So I'll trim them and then I cut them lengthwise. The carrots themselves are actually very simple. It's olive oil, salt, pepper, and chili flake. For like a true side dish, especially during the holidays, I don't go as loud as I do the rest of the year, only because there's often so much on the table that you don't want things that really compete with each other. It's not my shirt, so I should be careful. I'm gonna roast them at 218/425 for, I would say, like 20 to 25 minutes. So carrots are great and all, but the reason I'm here is for this topping. Toasted nuts, pitted dates, what a mess, and garlic. Sweet, salty, savory deliciousness. I'm gonna toast these in some oil. I'm gonna add our dates. I'm gonna toss it. I'm gonna add our chili flake, which is gonna kind of bloom a little bit in the oil. And then I'm gonna take it off the heat. I'm gonna add the garlic, and I'm gonna let it cool. Skewing pumpkin spice latte. The garlic brings it back to like a nice deep savory place. I'm using this gorgeous, gorgeous platter by the Mise Z. So I didn't even touch these. These are just like how they came out. They're cooked through, they're tender. So we'll just scatter in and around. I think adding something like sprigs of herbs, carrot tops, chervil is nice. I hope you love this recipe. I hope you make this recipe. I hope you put on your cutest outfit and serve it on your cutest plate and have just a lovely holiday.